Welcome back to Auto Tech Reviews. Today we're counting down the top 4 dash cams under $200 on Amazon. Enhance your road safety and capture unforgettable moments with these budget-friendly options. Stay tuned for the ultimate dash cam showdown. Don't forget to subscribe, check out the links in the video description for more information on each dash cam mentioned today, and hit the notification bell for more exciting automotive content. Let's begin. Number 1. Limited time deal. 3-channel dash cam front and rear inside. Let's delve deeper into the amazing features of the 3-channel dash cam front and rear inside. Our top limited time deal. This dash cam takes your vehicle's safety and surveillance to a whole new level with its 3-camera setup. The front-facing camera captures the road ahead, ensuring that every detail is recorded in stunning high-definition clarity. Whether you encounter a breathtaking scenic route or need to document an unexpected incident, this dash cam ensures that you have a clear and detailed visual record at your disposal. The rear camera provides an added layer of protection by monitoring the traffic behind your vehicle. In the unfortunate event of a rear-end collision or hit-and-run incident, you'll have solid evidence to support your insurance claims or legal proceedings. The inclusion of an inside camera adds another dimension of functionality to this dash cam. Positioned near the rearview mirror, it captures the interior of your vehicle, allowing you to monitor the activities and behavior of both the driver and passengers. This feature is particularly beneficial for ride-sharing drivers or parents keeping an eye on their teenage drivers. It provides a record of any untoward incidents or unruly behavior, promoting a safer and more accountable driving environment. Moreover, the inside camera can also be utilized to capture memorable road trip moments or even for vlogging purposes, giving you the opportunity to document and share your experiences from a unique perspective. This limited time deal is a fantastic opportunity to equip your vehicle with advanced safety and recording capabilities at an unbeatable price of $179.99. The 3-inch channel dash cam front and rear inside offers unparalleled coverage and versatility, ensuring that no detail escapes your vigilance on the road. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your driving experience and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having a complete 360-degree view of your journey. Take advantage of this limited time deal and make the most of the comprehensive surveillance offered by the 3-channel dash cam front and rear inside. Number 2. The Reliable Guardian. This impressive device strikes the perfect balance between affordability and performance, making it an excellent choice for those seeking reliable and high-quality video recording on the road. With its crisp 1080p video resolution, the Reliable Guardian ensures that every detail of your journey is captured with clarity and precision. Whether you're admiring scenic landscapes or dealing with unexpected incidents, this dashcam guarantees that you won't miss a thing. What truly sets the Reliable Guardian apart is its advanced G-sensor technology. Equipped with a built-in accelerometer, this dash cam can detect sudden movements or impacts, such as collisions or abrupt braking. When such events occur, the G-sensor triggers the automatic saving of footage, ensuring that critical evidence is preserved. This feature provides invaluable peace of mind, as you can rely on the Reliable Guardian to capture and safeguard important moments during your drive. Whether it's for insurance claims or legal purposes, having reliable evidence can make a significant difference in resolving disputes or proving your innocence. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a thrilling road trip, the Reliable Guardian acts as your dependable companion, ready to record every moment of your journey. Its affordability, coupled with its impressive video quality and advanced G-sensor technology, make it a standout choice in the dashcam market. Invest in the Reliable Guardian for just $129.99, and you'll have a trustworthy and vigilant guardian by your side, ensuring that you have the evidence that you need and the peace of mind you deserve while on the road. Number 3. The Multifunction Master. Introducing the impressive Nighttime Visionary, our number 2 contender in the dashcam category. This remarkable dashcam is specifically crafted to excel in low-light conditions, making it the ultimate companion for night driving. With its advanced image sensors and enhanced night vision technology, the Nighttime Visionary ensures that you capture clear and detailed footage, even in the darkest of environments. Say goodbye to blurry or grainy videos, and hello to crystal clear recordings that reveal every detail of your nighttime journey. Equipped with specialized sensors and cutting-edge technology, Nighttime Visionary acts as your very own set of night vision goggles for your car. It enhances visibility and clarity, allowing you to navigate and document your nighttime drives with ease. Whether you're driving through dimly lit streets, encountering wildlife on rural roads, or simply enjoying a late-night cruise, this dashcam ensures that you have a reliable record of your experiences, regardless of the lighting conditions. Its ability to capture sharp and vivid footage in even the most challenging lighting situations sets it apart as a must-have tool for night drivers. Don't let low light conditions hinder your ability to document your journeys or capture crucial evidence. Choose the Nighttime Visionary and experience the power of advanced night vision technology in the palm of your hand. With its exceptional performance and dedication to providing clear and detailed footage in the darkest hours, this dashcam truly earns its title as the Nighttime Visionary. Drive confidently, knowing that every detail of your nighttime adventures will be brought to life with this remarkable dashcam by your side. The Nighttime Visionary is available at a competitive price of $149.99. Number 4. The Road Guardian Mini. Last but not least, we have the Road Guardian Mini, a compact powerhouse that doesn't compromise on performance. Despite its small size, this dashcam packs a punch with its impressive features and capabilities. It boasts high-definition recording, capturing every detail of your drive with stunning clarity. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on the open highway, the Road Guardian Mini ensures that you have a reliable and detailed record of your journey. One standout feature of the Road Guardian Mini is its wide-angle lens, which provides an expansive field of view. This allows you to capture a broader perspective of the road, ensuring that no important details are missed. Additionally, the dashcam's loop recording feature ensures that you never run out of storage space. When the memory card is full, the oldest files are automatically overwritten, allowing for continuous recording without interruption. Priced at just $99.99, the Road Guardian Mini offers a budget-friendly option for those seeking a compact and reliable dashcam. Its small size makes it discreet and easy to install, while its powerful features make it a trustworthy companion on the road. Don't be fooled by its compact design. This dashcam delivers exceptional performance at an affordable price. Number 5. The Ultimate Champion. Drumroll, please. Our number 1 dashcam under $200 is the Ultimate Champion. This remarkable device takes the top spot with its unbeatable combination of cutting-edge technology and affordability. With its impressive 4K Ultra HD resolution, the Ultimate Champion ensures that every detail of your journey is captured with stunning clarity and unparalleled sharpness. Whether you're exploring breathtaking landscapes or navigating through busy city streets, this dashcam guarantees that your recordings will be of the highest quality. But the Ultimate Champion doesn't stop there. It also features built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly transfer and access your footage directly from your smartphone or other devices. No more hassle with cables or memory card transfers. With just a few taps on your phone, you can easily view, download, or share your recordings, making it a convenient and user-friendly option. Additionally, the Ultimate Champion boasts an intelligent parking mode, acting as a vigilant bodyguard for your vehicle. When parked, this mode activates the dashcam's motion detection sensors, ensuring that any suspicious movements or incidents are captured. Whether it's a hit-and-run situation, vandalism, or attempted theft, you'll have solid evidence to support your claims and protect your vehicle. The Ultimate Champion truly lives up to its name by offering a winning combination of advanced features and affordability. With its 4K Ultra HD resolution, built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, and intelligent parking mode, this dashcam stands head and shoulders above the competition. Invest in the Ultimate Champion, and you'll have an unbeatable companion that safeguards your journeys, provides real, crystal-clear recordings, and offers seamless connectivity. It's time to experience the pinnacle of dashcam excellence with the Ultimate Champion. Priced at $179.99, the Advanced Drive Assist offers a comprehensive range of features at an affordable price point. Well, there you have it, folks. Our top 4 dashcams under $200 are available on Amazon right now. Whether you're looking for a limited-time deal with 3-channel coverage, reliability, multifunctionality, or impeccable night vision, we've got you covered. Don't forget to check out the links in the video description for more information on each dashcam mentioned today. And remember, if you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with the latest automotive tech, hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there.